Hello, Edgar. Are you ready for Christmas? Oh, I see. Billy and Charlie have brought some building supplies. What are you building? Wow, that looks great. Let's start by unloading. First, let's build the base. Great teamwork, guys. Now let's build the next level. That's where the fire will be. It's beginning to look like a real fireplace now. The fireplace is almost finished. Billy, can you bring in some wood? That's not much wood in the stack. Perhaps you should go find more. That big log will be perfect, but it needs to be cut into smaller pieces. Perfect. Great work, guys. The fireplace is finished. Ed, what are you doing now? Ah, making cookies. Yummy. These should be great. Time to bake the cookies. It's a wonderful time of year, isn't it, Charlie? Just look at all the pretty snow on the trees. Look, there is Ed. Looks like you guys are having fun. Now Billy is in on it too. Now where did Charlie go? Where did Charlie go? Whoa! Great job, Charlie. You got them. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hi, guys. Looks like you're having fun. Ed, are you supposed to be a pirate? I see. And Billy has the treasure map? Hi, Charlie. What's that? You have an idea? You want to build a pirate ship? Wow! The ship is almost finished, but some pieces are missing. Careful, guys! Whoa! That was close! Oh no! The treasure map fell into the hole. Maybe Ed can reach it with his bucket. No? Well, let's finish building the ship and we can get the map later. Billy, Charlie is loading the lumber we need. Can you and Ed get the rest? Great job! We're almost done. You'll have the deck finished soon. Just a few more boards. Looks like Billy is almost finished getting the bowsprit ready. Once it's ready, it will help hold the ship's sails in place. Just a few more pieces to go. Charlie has the anchor, and Ed is getting the wheel which is used to steer the ship. Great work, guys! Now it's time to add the cannons. That's it! The ship is ready to sail. Hang on, everyone! Wow! It feels like the ship is out on the ocean. Thanks for your help, friends. See you next time.
Hi, Ethan. How are you? Ethan, would you like to go fishing and learn colors today? Great! Then let's get started. Blue. Green. Orange. Purple. Red. Yellow. Perfect, Ethan! You caught so many fishes and learned so many colors today. Would you like to sum up? Blue, green, orange, purple, red, yellow. Bye, Ethan. See you next time. Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Phew.
Ethan, would you like to help us collect numbers today?
Yahoo!
Great! Then let's get started. One,
You.
two,
Oh. Wow. Ah. Hop.
three,
Yoo-hoo. Ah. Aha.
four,
Yahoo!
five. Ethan, you have to jump very high to collect this number.
Aha.
Six.
Phew. Oh. Ah.
Well done, Ethan! You made a
Yoo-hoo.
fantastic ride and learned so many numbers today. Let's sum up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Ethan. How are you today? Ethan, would you like to shoot a bow and arrow and learn colors today?
Phew.
Great! Then let's get started.
Aha.
Red,
Oh.
Orange.
Aha.
Green.
Phew. Oh. Ah.
Yellow.
Yahoo.
Try again, Ethan.
Huh? Phew. Oh.
Purple.
Yoo-hoo. Aha. Oh.
Blue.
Phew.
Well done, Ethan. You learned so many colors today and shot very well. Would you like to sum up?
Yoo-hoo.
Red. Orange. Green. Yellow. Purple. Blue. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Dino. How are you? Dino, would you like to learn different cars with us today?
Woohoo.
Great, but I have to tell you something. All cars are hidden, and we have to find them first. A fire truck. A police car. An ambulance. A garbage truck. A bulldozer. A truck. Well done, Dino! We learned so many car names today. Would you like to sum up? Fire truck, police car, ambulance, garbage truck, bulldozer, truck. See you soon, my friends. Hi, Dino. How are you?
Aww.
Dino, would you like to make a huge birthday cake and learn colors today? Great, then let's get started. Red,
Aww.
yellow,
Oh.
purple, well done, Dino. Our cake is ready. Now, I think we should decorate it with candies.
Oh. Huh? Huh? Uh-huh.
Pink,
Huh?
blue. Let's put more candies.
Uh-huh.
Orange. Well done, Dino. What a huge cake we've made, and we also learned so many colors today.
Aww.
Let's sum up. Red, yellow, purple, pink, blue, orange. See you soon, my friends.
Huh?
Hi, Dino. How are you?
Huh?
Dino, would you like to ride a roller coaster today and learn shapes? Great! Then 1, 2, 3, let's go! Circle, square,
Aww.
triangle,
Uh-huh.
diamond, rectangle,
Uh-huh.
star. That was very fun, Dino. We learned so many shapes. Let's sum up. Circle, square, triangle, diamond, rectangle, star. Dino, would you like to make an extra ride and learn numbers?
Woohoo!
Fantastic! Let's go! One,
Aw.
2,
Huh?
3, 4,
Woohoo!
5, 6.
Woohoo!
That was so
Aw.
fun, Dino, and we learned so many numbers. Let's sum up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Woohoo!
See you soon, my friends. Hi, Ethan. How are you?
Yahoo!
Would you like to learn numbers and play with the pyramid today? Great! Then let's start by collecting the pieces of our pyramid.
Ha! Oh!
1,
aha! お は
2,
あひゅ ああ
3,
ああひゅ あ
4,
あ ひゅ
5,
あ
6. Well done, Ethan! You collected all pieces of the pyramid and learned many numbers today. Let's sum up and build the pyramid.
ひゅ ゆふ
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See you soon, my friends.
Hew!